Well, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. It's been a while, Nonna Pina. Welcome back to your show. How are you today?
Okay.
Good. So, Nonna Pina, today it's summertime now. It's June, and we're excited because in June, July, August, things grow in the garden, and we have now planted things in the garden. And what this here is a little zucchini, and I thought it would be appropriate to make zucchini fritters. Polpetti di zucchini. These are very tasty appetizers, typically in the Italian kitchen, in the Sicilian kitchen, made all throughout Italy. And the ingredients are going to be some Parmigiano cheese, some breadcrumbs, some egg, salt, pepper, and some garlic powder. And what Nonna Pina is going to do is she's going to grate the zucchini. And then once the zucchini are grated, they look something like this. All grated, and then she drains it. She squeezes down and drains a lot of the liquid out. And then she's going to use a bowl and combine it all into little fritters. And this is going to be really good. So Nonna Pina, I'm excited. Are you excited? I think we should get going. Okay, Nonna Pina, so you put the 4 eggs, you put about, well, we'll do the measurements after, but basically, show us the consistency, Nonna Pina. Fai vedere, ma yeah. Falla vedere. Okay. So what she's trying to show us here, let it go, is that it's clumpy. It's not very loose. It's bound, as you could see, it sticks together. When you grab a clump on a spoon, it sticks together, and that's what you want. You don't want it too liquidy. So you'll know by adding a little bit more cheese, a little bit more breadcrumbs. So if I have to guess how much we added here, we added about half a cup of cheese and 1 cup of breadcrumbs, along with the salt, pepper, and garlic powder, and 4 eggs. And there was 6 zucchini, ma?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay. So what are we going to do next, Nonna Pina?
Fry.
Okay. So now you want to get the oil over here, Nonna Pina? And we're going to fry it up. We're going to turn this on high or medium. How, Nonna Pina? Maybe put it on 9. Okay, Nonna Pina, let's see you do it. Okay, Nonna Pina, we did a good job, didn't we? Let's check out the final product here. Look at these. Look at these beautiful, beautiful fritters. As you can see, they're cooling down. You want to eat these not right out of the frying process. It'll be too soft. You want to give them at least 15 minutes to cool down before you enjoy these beautiful zucchini fritters. Nonna Pina, can you taste one, please? Can you open one for us?
Okay.
No, queste su queste cama, su fredde, yeah.
Okay.
Let's see. Beautiful. Yummy, give it a taste. Come on. How is it?
Buone.
Very nice.
Come on, questo qua.
Thank you, Nonna Pina. Say bye.
Bye.
All right.